What's going on, swim fans? In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to swim faster in 5 steps. And by the end of the video, you're gonna see how to take your swimming to the next level. Whether your goal is to train for a triathlon, a specific swimming race, or you're just swimming 3 or 4 times per week for mental health, you've come to the right place. Here at MySwimPro, we help swimmers all over the world of all different skill levels and goals take their swimming to the next level. So if you want to swim faster and smarter than ever before, you've come to the right place. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, let us know what questions you have down below in the comments, and let's begin.
Tip number 1 is to work on technique, because water is
800 times more dense than air.
Water is really thick and it's going to slow you down a lot. So working against that resistance, if your technique is bad, you're going to swim really slow, and swimming is not going to be that fun. So incorporating drills and technique work into your swimming for all 4 strokes is going to make a huge difference in how well you're able to move through the water. So you can work on your head position, your hand position and your catch, your hip position and body position, and even your kick to help you move through the water more smoothly and create less resistance in your stroke. So drills can help you do both of those things and really enjoy the water.
Tip number 2 is to mix up your swim training. It's pretty boring to just swim freestyle back and forth continuously, and it's actually not going to help you swim faster. We always recommend that you swim all 4 strokes in every swim workout. And you want to make sure that you're doing technique drills, a warm-up, a cool down, a pull set, a kick set. All of these different types of trainings in your swim practice is going to help you use different muscle groups and use different effort levels so you can build better whole body health. In the MySwimPro app, there's some great guided workouts that will add variety to your training so that you show up to the pool with a detailed plan where you're using all your muscle groups to help you swim faster.
Hey there. Tip number 3 is to make sure you're well rested. Actually, it's to make sure you have the right equipment. And if you want to swim faster and you have the right equipment, it can make a huge difference to take your swimming to the next level. So whether you have a pair of fins or you have a set of paddles, there's different varieties and different sizes. There's things like a snorkel, but basically all of these different pieces of equipment engage your muscle groups in different ways and allow you to focus on your technique and do different drills that you might not be able to do without the equipment. For example, when you have fins, you can do drills a lot easier because you have the added propulsion that your legs are going to have with the help of the fins. If you have a paddle, it's going to increase your feel of the water because you're increasing the surface area of which you can pull. And remember, water is really thick. It's 800 times more dense than air. So the more you can increase that surface area, you can improve your feel of the water. And of course, you have the snorkel, which is a great piece of equipment to focus on your technique because you don't have to worry about breathing. You're breathing through a tube. You can focus on keeping your eyes at the bottom of the pool. And even if you don't have these different pieces of equipment, you can use more creative tools like the tennis ball. And this will allow you to focus on things like your catch. You can do fist drill with the tennis ball. There's so many different variety of equipment that you can use. And make sure you check out the MySwimPro app because it'll actually show you which piece of equipment you can incorporate to every single set of your training.
Tip number 4 is to incorporate Dryland into your training. Keep going, Ferris. Dryland is an incredible way to build some extra strength that you just don't really get when you're swimming in the pool. So you can do body weight exercises, you can do weights in the gym, you can run, cycle, do yoga. Find something that you enjoy that you can incorporate a few times a week to work your muscles in different ways, build some extra mobility, strength, especially for those shoulders. Swimmers are very prone to shoulder injuries, so if you can incorporate some Dryland training to strengthen your rotator cuff and the muscles in your shoulders, you'll be less prone to injury and you'll be able to swim longer and stronger.
Tip number 5 is to make sure you swim with a plan. It's so important to follow a structured training program when you swim. If you're used to swimming continuously and you go to the pool and you swim 15, 20, 30 minutes straight, that's okay too. But you're in a perfect position to take your swimming to the next level and incorporate all the different elements that we talked about in this video with a personalized training program, which you can get in the MySwimPro app. It's available for iPhone and Android, and you get a personalized training program just for you.
So whether you are a complete beginner, novice swimmer, or maybe you're an expert swimmer and you're training for the English channel, no matter what your age is, the MySwimPro app is perfect for anyone that needs a guided, personalized training plan. Get guided workouts so that when you show up to the pool, you feel confident, you know you're gonna swim faster, have more fun in the water, and you're gonna improve your technique.
Definitely check out the app, give it a download, let us know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel.
And make sure you join our Facebook group. It's the largest digital swimming community in the entire world. We have 30,000 people in there. Taylor, myself, and Paige are all in there to cheer you on to swim faster and smarter than ever before. So we'll see you guys at the next video, and happy swimming. Bye.